around all the important functions or what a parliament does apart from law making, then you can see this on your screens. Like A, of course, the law making. Then we see that it gives representation to the states. How? What point you will? How do you understand that? How parliament gives representation to the state? Because we have Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the house of states, right? The council of states. तो सारे states को representation मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है, which is very important for a country which has a federal structure, because federalism is all about the center and the state. So there shall be no domination of one or the subordination of the other. So to ensure that we have Rajya Sabha. So parliament आपको वो करता है. दूसरा, it gives representation to people from the special fields. So special field में कौन सा point आ गया? Where you see the persons being nominated to the two houses on the basis of, हमने पढ़ा था ना, arts, science, right? Like that. Then the source of authentic information, like you have the PIB. So anything and everything that comes authentically from the government of India. न्यूज बहुत रहता है, लेकिन जो आपको वहां से मिल रहा है authentic information, if in fact it might be about the international relations, what India is doing to be, what is happening between the two nations, right? Bill pe charcha. And now, because in a country who is following a democratic setup, you often see the revolt, or what should I say, the kind of criticism that you have seen against the farm bills, right? We have seen the Shaheen Bagh episode, the entire incident. So उस केस में एक authentic information का आना बहुत और भी ज़्यादा important हो जाता है, right? Highlighting the feelings of the nation. So whenever it is an important event, or it is about the national freedom fighters, it is about the national holidays, right? All of that is being talked about. Then enactment of the law, the very common one. Political control over the executive. I would like anyone from you to throw some light on it, because I have discussed a lot about the executive and legislature when we have started polity. So just to know if you remember that. Sab saaf to nahi. What is politics? What do we mean when we say that keeping a political control over the executive is also a function of parliament? Yes, Shubham, you are right. एग्जीक्यूटिव के पास तो सारी पावर्स रहती हैं, राइट? एग्जीक्यूटिव है ही वो गवर्नमेंट, एंड पॉलिटिकल कंट्रोल इज व्हेन द COM, yes, is responsible. We have question hours, we have 0 hours where you ask the questions, and the executive is responsible to answer. The government is bound to answer your questions, right? Then we have contributing to members of council of ministers. COM यहीं से आपको बनता है. Financial control over executive. So you have the budget, the legitimate budget coming from the parliament, right?